Wikis. A wiki is a group activity where students help to build a presentation in a creative way. It can include media and hyperlinked pages. A wiki icon looks like this. I'll scroll down and click on the Canada Geography Wiki. First, read the instructions. I'll click on the Edit button to begin. And then I'll click in the text entry area and either type my sentences into the text entry area, or in this case, I've already written them offline, and here I'll just paste them in. Note, if typing is already there, you will add to the typing, not delete it. You can use these buttons to format your text, for example, to have bold, italics, bullets, text color, font or font size, or even to add hyperlinks to your writing. You can also add tags to help people find your wiki page. I'll click on this drop-down menu to add some tags. Atlantic, region, Nova Scotia. You can add as many tags as you want. I'll stop here and click on the Save button. Your page will appear like this, with the instructions here, the 4 sentences you typed here, and the 3 tags we typed here. Add a new wiki page. To add a new page to the wiki, follow these steps. First, I'll click on a wiki link. Then I'll select the Edit tab. In the text editor, I'll type a title for a new page. I'll use double square brackets on both sides of the title. I'll click or tap on the Save button. This new screen appears with the new title as a page link. I'll click on the link. I'll make sure the HTML format button is chosen, and then I'll click on the Create Page button. The page appears for editing this new wiki page. It's a good idea to add a return link to the main page. You can do this by adding the title of the main page in double square brackets. Then I'll choose the Save button. On this page, we can see our new page, Canada's Parliament, and a link to the main page, Government Wiki. To complete this tutorial, I'm going to add a message by clicking on the Edit button. Then I'll add my message. Then I'll choose Save. The edited page, Canada's Parliament, appears.